Hi guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can make up to 65,000 naira monthly doing one simple task. Okay, it's nothing too much, it doesn't take much of your time, and I'm going to explain to you in this video. 2 days ago I created a video here. Okay, it says how to create a Google Voice number. Now if you are new to Google Voice number, probably you might have come across white or probably foreign contacts on WhatsApp before. They chat you with number from USA or other countries. Now this is possible and it is achievable, okay, with Google Voice number. So basically you can create foreign numbers and you just have to use a real number to verify it, okay, so that it's kind of connected to your real number so they can set code to it. And after that you can use the Google Voice number to open services like WhatsApp, to do online registration and get code. And also if you do not want to drop your real numbers, then you can actually file in the Google Voice number and you'll be able to use it. Okay, simple as that. That's how you can create your own USA number in Nigeria. So you can watch this video to get it. Now the purpose of watching this video is to give you a kind of a business model out of it. So I'm going to explain to you in this video right here how you can make money creating Google Voice number, okay, and you can make up to 75,000 or 65,000 naira per month. Okay, you can make up to that. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, if it's your first time seeing Slow Hustle right here, I create content on how you can make money both online and offline. Chat as much as possible. Take a second, click on subscribe button and click on the notification bell to all. Okay, click on notification bell to all so that whenever I drop a new content, you'll be notified right away and you will be able to participate and watch the video and learn some key things to make money online. Okay, so I'm going to head on to this website right here. It is called smscodes.io. smscodes.io. okay, so take a look at it right here. Once you create your account, you'll be given 50 cents bonus. Okay, 50 cents that you can use, but you might not be able to use the balance immediately or outright because you might have to add little money to it. Okay, and that is quite understandable. So let's get to how we can make this money. Now I've been able to buy Google Voice number in time past from people that run WhatsApp TVs and the like, and at some point I bought one for 4,000 naira and the last one I bought was 1,500 naira. So let's say we are going to stick to the average. Let's say okay, it's about 2,000 naira, okay, per Google Voice number. And if you want to create a Google Voice number, they're going to charge you. Okay, they are going to charge you. Now you can watch that video to learn how you can create the Google Voice number, okay, because it's quite simple as that. And I'm going to drop the link in the description below so you can watch it in the description by clicking on it. Simple as that. So when you create a Google Voice number, it costs you 35 cents. Okay, let's do a quick math. So it's called 35 cents. Okay, 35 cents to verify a Google Voice number. And for each one you create, you can sell it for as high as 2,000 naira. Okay, and it costs you 35 cents. So let's do some calculations right here. So let's say we created about 50 of it in a month. Okay, 50 of it in a month. So that's going to cost us about $17.5. Okay, let's multiply that by 550 and let's see the cost. That's about 9,600 naira. 9,600 naira. Okay, so let's say it's approximately 10,000. Okay, let's close that. And we are selling each of the 50. Okay, each one we are selling it for 2,000 naira. Okay, 2,000 naira or 2,500. Let's say 2,000 naira. That is 100,000 naira. Now if you are going to remove your 10,000 that I use for loading the credit into the SMS code website, that's going to give you 90,000 naira difference. 90,000 naira difference. Okay, now that is a good business, we all know, but now a question will be like, how do I get people to buy it? Now you must learn how to negotiate or how to network to get people to buy. You can use social media like Facebook, use Twitter, advertise your service on your status. You can ask people to reshare with you, and also you can get contacts. Okay, do contact sharing so you can have a lot of views. And if you have little money to create Facebook adverts or any social media adverts, that will go a long way to help you. Okay, just create a simple banner or get your Google Voice number for as low as 2,000 naira. Okay, they come to you. Once they pay, you create the email, verify it, and give them the login details. Simple as that. Okay, that is how you go about creating Google Voice number and also making money through that process. Okay, I know this is not kind of conventional business or a kind of businesses that everyone can go into. Okay, so that's why it's for mostly students. So if you are living in a student area, or probably you are in a school, okay, and you have colleagues, so that way you see guys, a lot of guys need this number to do one or two things on the internet, and you can be at service to them. Okay, that way you are rendering service, and trust me, you can sell as high as 50 in a month. Okay, you can sell more than 50 in a month. Okay, so you can definitely look into something like this, and if you can make advert with it, it's going to be very, very wonderful. Okay, look into it, because this is a way you can make money. And there's a kind of update right here on this website that says SMS codes on Play Store, so you can actually download the app on Play Store. You don't have to keep on running the website version. You can download it on your phone, and that way it makes it mobile, so you can go around with it whichever place. You can just click on it, and you'll be able to run your services and provide the service they require, and you get money in an exchange for that. Okay, so basically that is what I have to teach you in this video, and it's very practicable. Okay, so let's try to see if we can verify a Google number right now. Okay, I do not have a lot of I don't have credit on it because I've not recharged my account, but there's a way you can do that. But I just want to show you the simple process on how you can locate Google Voice number. So once you are registered on here, the registration link is going to be in my description below. Once you are registered on here and you click on get code, okay, I'm going to start that all over so you do not miss any steps. Okay, so on the interface right here, you click on get code right here. Once you click on it, then you see a lot of services you can get code for. Okay, so if you want to create an account for this, you can get code for that. Okay, so there are a lot of services right here. Okay, a lot of services right here you can use. Okay, you can even see Airtel right here. So there's a lot of services, trust me, a lot of services. So that being said, so once you're here, you search for the particular service you want. So I'll just say Google Voice. So Google Voice, and that's going to locate it for me. So I'll click on find service, and it's definitely going to locate it for me. So take a look at it right here. So this is Google Voice right here. Okay, so you can click on get code. You can click on get code, and you'll be able to get code. So this is my balance here, 50 cents. So you fill all of this, or select country. You select your country, select country first to see the price. So let's say I'm going to select USA, United States of America. So you can going to see, okay, your balance is running low, and okay, so the price for SMS right now is about $1.2. Okay, but if you create your account new, it's about 35 cents. Okay, so you fill it all up and you click on get SMS. They're definitely going to send the SMS to you right here, and you'll be able to make money with it. So there's other countries as well, so you can create number from Philippines. This is right here. You can create number from United Kingdom. This is right here. The pricing and everything is there. Okay, you can create for a lot of countries. Okay, so try as much as possible to check that out and make some money with it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Do like this video and drop a comment, and also share with your friends to share awareness on how people can make money online. And one last thing, please try as much as possible to subscribe to my channel Slow Hustle, so we can actually feel motivated to do more videos like this for you. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video, and bye for now.